Imagine running a business where your income comes in every single month without needing to stock products, rent an office, or work 9 to 5. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what you can achieve by starting your own web hosting company. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard or own expensive data centers. With tools like Verpex reseller hosting, anyone can start their own hosting brand, grow clients, and build steady recurring revenue. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about launching a web hosting company, from startup costs and strategies to EOI investments and expert advice. By the end, you'll see why hosting is one of the smartest online businesses to start in 2025 and beyond. Here's what you'll cover in this video today. What is web hosting? Startup costs, ROI, and profit branding and website. Find your niche marketing strategy. Why Verpex helps. Step 1. What is a web hosting company? At its core, a hosting company provides the servers and resources that allow websites to go live on the internet. Every blog, e-commerce store, or business website needs hosting, so the demand is massive and never-ending. But here's the secret. You don't need to own physical servers. Instead, you can use reseller hosting, a model where you purchase server resources from a provider like Verpex, then sell those hosting plans under your own brand. Think of it as renting wholesale space and repackaging it for your customers. This means you focus on your branding, marketing, and customer service, while Verpex handles the technical side like uptime, backups, and performance. Step 2. How much does it cost to start? Starting a hosting company is surprisingly affordable compared to most online businesses. Reseller hosting plan, around $20 to $50 per month with Verpex, depending on the resources you need. Domain and website, about $50 to $100 per year for your business site and professional branding. Billing and automation, tools like WHMCS or Blesta may cost $15 to $20 per month. Marketing budget, at least $100 to $300 to start with ads, SEO, or content creation. So in total, you can launch with under $500 up front, which is insanely low for a business that can generate recurring monthly income. Step 3. ROI and profit potential. Now let's talk about the money. Web hosting is attractive because it creates recurring revenue. Here's an example. Suppose you start with a $40 per month Verpex reseller plan. You sell 20 hosting packages at $10 per month each. That's $200 per month revenue. After expenses, you're already in profit. Scale it up to 100 clients and you could earn $1,000 per month. And with larger packages or premium plans, your margins increase. What makes hosting unique is the retention rate. Unlike one-time products, customers usually stay for years because moving a website to another host is inconvenient. That means your income becomes stable and predictable over time. Step 4. Branding and website setup. People don't just buy hosting, they buy trust. That's why your brand matters. Professional website, clean, simple, with clear pricing and easy checkout. Custom domain, something short and brandable like yourcompanyhost.com. Automation tools. WHMCS helps automate billing, support tickets, and account creation. Customer support. Even if you're small, offering live chat or email support builds credibility. Verpex integrates easily with billing platforms, so your customers get a smooth sign-up experience from day one. Step 5. Find your niche. The hosting market is competitive, so you need a niche. Here are some proven strategies. Small business hosting. Focus on local businesses who need websites but don't understand hosting. WordPress hosting. Optimize plans specifically for WordPress users. Agency hosting. Partner with web designers who can bundle hosting with their services. Eco-friendly hosting. Appeal to environmentally conscious customers. By narrowing your focus, you'll attract loyal customers who value your specialized service. Step 6. Marketing and growth strategy. No business grows without customers, so let's talk about marketing. SEO and blogging. Write guides like Best, hosting for small businesses to rank on Google. YouTube tutorials. Just like this video, create tutorials that build trust and drive leads. Social media ads. Use Facebook or Google ads targeting small business owners and developers. Partnerships. Team up with freelancers and agencies who can refer clients to you. Free trials or discounts. Give customers a risk-free reason to sign up. And remember, customer support is part of your marketing. Happy clients bring referrals, which is the cheapest and most powerful way to grow. Why choose Verpex as your hosting partner? Here's where Verpex makes your life easier. They provide 24/7 support, so even if you're asleep, your customers are taken care of. 100% uptime guarantee means your brand looks reliable. They include free SSL certificates and daily backups, which adds value to your packages. Flexible reseller plans let you scale as you grow, so you don't pay for resources you don't need yet. Basically, Verpex does the heavy lifting, while you focus on building your business. Starting a web hosting company doesn't require millions of dollars or a tech background. With reseller hosting, you can launch with a few $100, build recurring revenue, and scale into a profitable long-term business. If you're serious about starting, check out Verpex's reseller hosting. I'll leave the link in the description. They've helped thousands of entrepreneurs kickstart their hosting brands, and they can help you too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.